April 26, 1986. Unit 4 of the nuclear power station at Chernobyl, Ukraine, caused an explosion known as the worst man-made nuclear disaster in history. The Chernobyl Accident. Chernobyl was the worst nuclear disaster to occur in history. There were fumes that leaked for several weeks, a fire that burned for 9 days, and 7 months of cleanup to build a concrete shelter over the flawed reactor. This declared the city as a tourist attraction, as everyone had to resettle from their homes. There was a massive release of 5% radioactive material that was found in measures of soil and downstream, affecting the food, water, and atmosphere in parts of Europe, where 5 million people still live today. This took the Soviet leader 18 days before he actually responded to what happened. He said, due to a flawed reactor design operated with an inadequate trained personnel and human error, the raptor of the reactor vessel during a safety test caused a power surge to occur and led to a chain of dangerous reactions which quickly ruptured the system. The explosion blew off the 1,000-ton ceiling cap, which caused temperatures to rise and melt to fuel rods into the graphite covering them, and then caught on fire. The fire burned for 9 days and released radiation, which killed 28 out of the 600 workers within the first 4 months after the event and 2 immediately after the exposure. Another 106 workers had acute radiation sickness, and in total there was 600,000 workers exposed from cleanup crew. The accident led to safety and industrial cooperations and serious social and economic disruption for the large populations involved due to the lack of reliable public health information before 1986. Since then, we have the World Health Organization to raise concerns on biological health effects from the radiation exposure, the International Atomic Energy Agency to coordinate an international assessment of radiology on environmental and health consequences on the towns contaminated, and 50 missions conducted from several organizations to compare the controlled population to the exposed groups. The IAEA also established the Chernobyl forums to discuss health and environmental reports. From the data we collected, we saw that 67% agreed that there needs to be a better precaution and protocol set to ensure the safety of workers and the environment to avoid or contain a nuclear meltdown again. 69% agreed that there needs to be better ways to alert the public about man-made disasters and better responders to disasters than how Chernobyl's took 3 weeks. 41.7% feel that we have not improved the safety of workers with power plants since the incident occurred. There needs to be more actions taken to ensure the safety of our environment and the people living in it. Since the incident, we have learned reactor safety, better design and operating procedures, and modifications in all the RBMK reactors that operate. Automatic shutdown mechanisms now operate faster, and other safety mechanisms have been improved. Automated inspection equipment has been installed, and a repetition of the 1986 Chernobyl accident is now visually impossible. The Chernobyl Forum report said that some 7 million people are now receiving or eligible for benefits as Chernobyl victims since the event.